Oh, there it is. It's about to get loud.
Until midnight Eastern Standard Time tonight. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of southeast Ohio, including the following county: Washington. When? Until midnight Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 5:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the automated gauge at Maxburg on Duck Creek was at 12.36 feet and rising. Bankful is 13.0 feet and expected to be exceeded shortly. At stages between 13 and 15 feet, Broad Street starts to flood near the creek. Homes on the left bank start to flood. Campground next to gauge floods. Some locations that will experience flooding include Maxburg and Lower Salem. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In heavy rain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Due to active weather, Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the lower 30s. Saturday, the stage was 0.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Sunday morning to a crest of 16.8 feet early Sunday afternoon.
First activation, let's go.
It will then fall below flood stage early Monday afternoon. Flood stage is 15 feet.
Oh, let's go.
Tonight to Monday evening. At 17 feet, lowland flooding continues along the river, with flooding along Island Road worsening. Canal Road near State Route 104 also has flooding, as well as Cooks Creek Golf Course and State Route 762 in northern Pickaway County. At 9:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 0.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Sunday morning to a crest of 16.8 feet early Sunday afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday afternoon. Flood stage is 15 feet. Now for the official National Weather Service.